Ram Rumblebee. When U.S. pickup trucks touch the 900 HP threshold, there are pickup trucks that were born to carry goods. There are those that are made for off-roading. And then, there are those that appear just to prove that a pickup can completely become a speed monster. That is the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee. And this time, Ram doesn't just want the Rumblebee to look like a muscle truck. They wanted it to actually become one. Through the Direct Connection program, Ram has just announced a series of high-performance parts specifically for the Rumblebee, the most notable of which is a new supercharger that can increase the capacity of the Rumblebee SRT to more than 900 horsepower. Let's stop for a moment at this number. Over 900 horsepower in a Ram 1500. This is an extremely remarkable number for a model that still has the full appearance of an American pickup truck. The Rumblebee SRT is not an ordinary car. From the factory, the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 produces 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Ram says the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. But with Direct Connection, Ram decided that 777 horsepower is not the limit. The original 2.4-liter supercharger will be replaced with a completely new 3.0-liter twin-screw unit. This supercharger comes with a large air-to-water charge cooler and a high-capacity coolant pump system. The goal is to increase capacity to more than 900 horsepower. And that's just the strongest version. If we step down to the Rumblebee 392, we have a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine. Original capacity is 470 horsepower. Once equipped with the Direct Connection supercharger, this number will exceed 700 horsepower. Rumblebee uses a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, which has a capacity of 395 horsepower, and will be increased to more than 600 horsepower. In other words, Ram is creating a Rumblebee family with 3 power levels: more than 600, more than 700, and more than 900 horsepower. But what's interesting is that Ram doesn't just sell power. They are selling a formula to turn Rumblebee into a complete muscle truck. Direct Connection will supply a high-performance CAD-back exhaust system developed by MagnaFlow. The entire system uses stainless steel, 3-inch piping, X-pipe, and 5-inch black exhaust tips. The goal is simple. When the V8 started, everyone around had to know that this was no ordinary Ram 1500. And if you want the car to be lower, visually wider and sportier in operation, Ram also has a coilover kit developed by Ridetech. Front lowered 1 inch. The rear is lowered up to 3 inches. The shock absorbers have 24 levels of adjustment, combined with high-performance springs and a redesigned front swing arm to maintain suspension geometry. But perhaps the most interesting part lies in the small details. Direct Connection will provide its own decal set for Rumblebee. Each performance level has a different identification color. Ceramic Gray for version 5.7. Flame Red is for 392, and Rumblebee Yellow for the 900-plus horsepower SRT. Just by looking at the color and logos on the car's body, others can know how strong the Rumblebee is standing in front of them. And of course, all of this comes at a price. The Direct Connection Supercharger kit costs $10,995, not including installation. Exhaust systems start at $1,599. The Ridetech suspension kit is expected to cost $4,590. But the notable point is that these are not aftermarket items of unknown origin. Direct Connection was developed by Ram as a genuine performance parts program. If the supercharger is installed by an ASE-certified Mopar technician, Ram still backs the 5-year or 60,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. That's what makes Rumblebee so special. You don't necessarily have to buy a completely different vehicle to get a 900-plus horsepower pickup. You can start with an original Rumblebee, then step by step turn it into the car you want. And when the Rumblebee SRT with 777 horsepower is already capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. Try to imagine the feeling of a similar car when the power exceeds 900 horsepower. This is how Ram redefines the concept of muscle truck. Doesn't have to be a coupe. It doesn't have to be a supercar. It can still be a pickup with a cargo box on the back. But when I step on the accelerator, 900 horsepower will be what makes people remember the name Rumblebee. The 2027 Ram Rumblebee is not simply an upgraded pickup truck. It is a statement that the era of muscle trucks is not over yet. And this time, Ram's Golden Bee is preparing to take off with more than 900 horsepower.